Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure CapCut with AI for auto captions and highlights. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open CapCut on your device. Create a new project by selecting the plus sign. Import the video you want to edit. Once the video is loaded, tap on the text option in the menu. Select the auto captions feature. Choose your desired language for the captions. Adjust the settings for text style and position if needed. Tap on Generate Captions to start the process. Wait for CapCut to analyze your video and create captions. Once captions are generated, review them for accuracy. Make any necessary edits directly on the timeline. Now, to create highlights, go back to the main menu. Select the Highlights option. Choose key segments or moments you want to emphasize. Drag and drop these highlights onto the timeline. Adjust the duration for each highlight as necessary. Add any additional effects or transitions to enhance your video. Preview your edited video to ensure everything flows well. Once you're satisfied, save your project. Export your video in the desired format. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.